At Levit, we couldn't find a way to conveniently and cheaply store a bicycle that was safe, accessible, reliable and looked great. And that's why we came to Josh to see what Design Anthology could do in that space for us.
So we work a lot in the electronic space, and one of the difficulties with electronics is they can't really handle industrial environments, and we work with a lot of industrial clients. So we needed a way to be able to leverage those technologies that we were really adept at using and being able to package them up in such a way that we could deliver them to our industrial clients. I don't think we really knew exactly what the end look would be or what we were expecting, but it was better than what we could have imagined.
We deliver a range of simulation-based training systems to the Australian Defence Force. We chose to partner with DA due to their experience and expertise in industrial design, and they were able to design various components and subsystems for our simulators.
So Design Anthology was very great at taking that idea and relatively inexpensively and quickly providing the visuals and the mock-ups and the collateral that allowed us to visualise and see that and communicate that vision and idea to others that we needed to bring along the journey with us.
Solved a lot of the difficult problems that I think we had in terms of how we could leverage these electronics and really put them into an industrial environment and be confident to know that they were going to work the way that we intended them to.
The product I spoke to DA about was what we call a front mount power assist device for a manual wheelchair. The outcomes were probably beyond what I could imagine.
We work with DA because the aesthetics of our products is important to the sales of the products, of course, but also the use of the products, the whole and the lifetime of the products, the wear and tear, how they survive. We've got millions of interactions per year.
Well, I think Design Anthology was able to deliver us the capability we needed very quickly. And that really took our initial concept of what we wanted and really transformed it into a really solid product that we could put in the hands of our customers with the confidence to know that it was going to work and it was going to be really high quality.
The outcome of that was the people we needed to bring along, which was the government, which was other stakeholders, other investors. They got excited by the idea, and then DA was able to take that idea and turn it into a rapid prototype so that we could really test the product market fit.
But yeah, the team did a great job with quite a short period of time. It was definitely beyond what we thought it was going to be.
So if you're sitting on a nifty idea that you want to turn into a reality, I think it's always worth a phone call with DA. The team here is really friendly and they've got the expertise that you're going to need to turn that into what your vision is.